Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to recover Binance account without email. If you need to recover your Binance account but no longer have access to your email, you can recover your account using alternative methods. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Now click on Login button. If you do not have your email, you can simply type your phone number here. After that, click on Next. You can also log in through the QR code. Click on the QR code login and open the Binance application on your phone and scan it through the QR code. If you still have access to your authentication, follow the steps. Enter the email address if you still remember it, or select the option for phone number. Complete the two-factor verification by entering the code from your authenticator application. If you can't recover your account using an email or phone number, you can submit the support request to the Binance customer support for further assistance. Click on the support button on the bottom right corner of your screen and go to Binance Help Center. You can create a support ticket under the account recovery category. You may need to provide identity verification documents. Binance support team will review your request, and if everything checks out, they will assist you with the recovery process. Even though you don't have access to your email, it's worth checking any alternative or backup email account if you have used in the past. Sometimes recovery instruction can be sent there as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.